Hey guys, here we are in Shakopee. They always call it the Shakopee. Valley Fair is right over there. We're off of 169. Some rail fanning here in the outskirts. This kind of runs parallel to 169. So busy, we got an RV over here. So it's a Sunday, 25th day of February, 2024. That one's kind of boring. This one's kind of interesting. Let's see where this one goes to, huh? Anyways, guys, how's it going? It's January like 11th. This comes out at 2025. We'll see if Biden had won by now or being hunches back into office. I don't know. But anyways, let's follow. Let's do some rail fanning, shall we? What the hell? Never know what you're going to find, right? People can't pronounce Shakopee. They always say Shakopee instead of Shakopee. It's like people can't. Well, why is that? I say Wayzata. It looks like an old little rail line here. Beautiful day and to a video. Have a cigar. Weather isn't too bad. So no dead bodies yet on my adventures here, but you've seen me on the green line. They have those concrete ties, but it's an interesting rail line. Don't take care of it very much, as you can see. The other one goes obviously along the businesses and stuff. They don't move a lot of stuff by freight anymore, which is a shame. Make this in. If you don't want to use it, obviously don't keep it up. Trees are growing, some Christmas trees here. Let's follow the tracks here, all kinds of rocks. Yeah, rail fanning, train spotting is fun. I was listening to my train guy today. He was talking about he goes out sometimes and doesn't see anything. You know, he's really interesting. I follow him on this channel. He did a good video. Still got to find him a Chicago Western hat. Send to him, or a sign to put on his wall down there in Florida. Distant Signal, his name is, on YouTube. There's a lot of good stuff. So who knows how far this goes? We'll see. Proper there at the airport. Trees are growing on it. They don't take care of this line, do they? Those are the ones I've walked before. That one in St. Paul should have made that into a little light rail before they throw all the stuff out of Ford Motor Company. They could have connected with the other one. Not smart enough. They want to use this, make this into a bike trail. Till all these seedlings are falling off. Created some trees up here. So, casinos, Mystic Lake is that way. Yeah, it's just a beautiful day in February to be rail fanning, videotaping, whatever. These are growing right off the vine, right? My dad would bring these home from work. That house still has them, make gardens out of those things. That's a nice big tree. That thing is solid. You can tell something seedlings went down there. Quiet down here today. Said that they're supposed to have a good day for money-wise, supposed to find some money, so you never know. There's a bank by my house over there. When I take the girls over there once in a while and I find 20s at the end of the winter time up against a fence down from the bank once in a while. People lose them in the way they go when we'll take the bills away. Pretty different. A brisky day. New mic works nice. The other one was kind of, they last like about 6 months. I use them a lot, obviously. You know, make this into a, you know, maybe we could spot a train here somewhere, I don't know. Grown in the middle of it. All these get samplings get down here from the birds or whatever. A little train spotting in Shakopee. Hill Railroad crossing. Report a problem or emergency? No, there's no emergency here. Garbage on the way here. Yeah, it's not for February 25th. It's really nice. So, I get out of the house once in a while and do some exploring, right? Walk along the railroad track and check stuff out. Look for trains, right? Over here, gotta go around all the trees and stuff. Grow in the middle of it. I had some snow in February here and all went away. Tomorrow's supposed to be 60 degrees. You can tell it's been a long time. That's a big ass tree right in the middle. That's not a bitch. But look at that. Yeah, it's been a while. So anyways, first video, gotta get around this stuff, and we'll go to the other side. So it's pretty thick over here. So rail fanning, trying to train spot here, Shakopee, for your enjoyment, right? So anyways, guys, see you in the next one.